Hello guys, welcome back to Kasayo Farms. Today we are on a friend's farm, poultry farm. As you can hear the noise from my back, we are where the layers are, and I'm just trying to make this video to show you. I came all the way from my home to come to his farm to just give a little update about poultry farm. So as you can see, those are Plymouth rock. These are very good layers, and they lay very good eggs. And if you can see, it's time for them to lay, and they are the ones making those kind of noise. If you can see over here, um, around this side, you can see some eggs around there. Can you see them? Some eggs around here. There's even one egg over here. They've started to lay like that. So this is his poultry farm, and he has started. But don't worry, guys. We also start with our own. I'm not allowed to enter inside because of they used to vaccinate them, so I'm not allowed to enter inside. So I'll just stand outside here and take a video. Hi, say hi to Kasayo Farms. Hi to Kasayo Farms. So guys, this is a little bit update about that's poultry farming. This is one of the benefits. They just start to lay, and he's getting more eggs every day. They continue to lay. This is about almost, I can even say, probably you can get up to 50 hens, and they are all layers, and they are ready to lay just this afternoon. As you can see, they place some sawdust on the ground spray. I think they make the ground very okay for them to live on, because if you are going to leave them on the raw floor, it's going to bring some bacteria on the animals, and that's going to affect your production. So they kind of put some sawdust, and even this sawdust can be used for manure after it has been used. All this sawdust, after it has been finished or repelled, they can be used again as manure. So guys, my friend is here ready to give them their vaccine, because it's very important at this time of the year round. The fowls used to get sick, this kind of crazy disease kind of. So as you can see him inside there, trying to vaccinate sorry trying to vaccinate the birds, giving them water in their water trough. And that's very important in poultry farming. You're supposed to vaccinate your birds every time to prevent disease outbreak. Even if there's an outbreak of disease, you can be able to control them. So as you can see him inside there trying to vaccinate, he's putting the water into the medicine into the water. So he's doing that right now, and as you can see him moving about cleaning the water trough, and that's very important in poultry farming. You're supposed to clean your water trough every time to prevent any other bacteria and disease from getting into your poultry farm. So, and guys, these are the roosters, the male cock. They call them cock. The sun is too much here, so forgive me of the background. I'll kind of have to try a bit to let you see. I don't know if you can see closer. All these ones inside here are roosters. All these ones, they are all roosters. All of them inside are roosters. So I think they will be for another batch of fertilized eggs. Those eggs were not fertilized because they are layers. They give them some kind of feed to let them lay 2 times a day. That's why they are kind of laying late this afternoon, and I'm sure in the evening they will lay again. So what you can see here behind me are the roosters. Roosters, they are the ones inside there. Different kinds of roosters. There's a Plymouth rock rooster. Sure, there's a hemisphere cock rooster here. So there are so many of them, and this is very good. But in other commercial poultry farm, it is one rooster is to 5 hens. But here, I don't know why they are keeping so much roosters like that. So I don't know why my friends do. Maybe that those are for meat purpose, like brawlers. So they are those all here are roosters. As you can see, say hi to my friends roosters. Say hi. Oh, the sun is so scorchy here, guys. Sun is so scorchy. Those are the roosters. Hi. Yeah, guys. So this is it about Kasari Farm. Any comment, just leave it down below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell to be notified all the time. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.